Hi, my name is Jess and today I'm going to be transforming my dad's old button-up blouse into a dress. So this is what we've got at the moment. It's very large and basically I needed it to be this big for the length of it because any smaller of a shirt and when I lifted my arms up it would have been like so. That's why I'm using one of his really big ones. And so what I'm hoping to do with it is I'm basically gonna have to deconstruct it. So I'm gonna unpin around the arms. So I'm gonna take them off completely and then adjust them separately. And then I'm gonna bring this whole section in and I'm gonna do like a little bit of an A-line kind of bit at the bottom. Not A-line, but like not a shift dress. And then so the arms will be smaller, they'll be further up. And then I'm also thinking I might unpick along the buttons and then do like a little bit of like a pleated ruche just here so that when I bring it in the side, it's got that and then it kind of like sits a little bit higher there and like will flare out just the slightest little bit. And I think that would be really cute. And then yeah, we'll see how it goes from there. So I'll keep the arm length the same, but I'll bring it in up the arm. So it should fit me like that. And then like obviously skinnier. Once I do that, I'll decide if I want to keep it a long sleeve. Because originally I wanted to do like a bit of like a short sleeve, a bit like that would be cute for the dress. But because it's winter, I'm thinking I might keep a long sleeve. But yeah, I probably will end up doing like a little cap sleeve with a little bit of a baggy armpit, obviously not this baggy. And then like just fold up the edge, like cuff the top. And I think that would look really cute with like the little flare here and little ruche in here. So yeah, I'm very excited for how this is going to turn out. My very first step is to deconstruct it, so I'm just going to get started. Unpicking it is about 4 o'clock, I think. Pretty sure, 4:30. Hopefully unpicking it takes me till 5. That's a bit ambitious, having half an hour to like completely deconstruct this. But I'm hoping to get this done like before 11 p.m. So I haven't got a lot of time to do it, but I think I can do it if I stick to a schedule. So yeah, my very first step is unpicking everything and I'll let you know what time it is when I finish doing that. It's now 7:20 and I've just finished unpicking all of the panels that I need to take off. So what I need to do now is take these pieces from like near the buttons and I'm gonna do the little ruching bit that I was talking about first, just because I think that will take the most fiddling. So once I get that done, it'll kind of be more into like the straight lines and kind of easier sewing. So yeah, I'll show you. I just finished pinning all of the little pleats that I wanted to add here. And if I leave them there, the dress will be too short to wear as a dress because it barely covers anything at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unpick what I did here. Not unpick, sorry, unpin, because I didn't sew it yet, thank goodness. I'm going to unpin all this and sew it back exactly how it was. And then I'll just bring it in at the sides a little bit extra than what I was going to originally, because this is ridiculously short, even though it didn't even take that much off, but I guess it made a pretty big difference. So unfortunately, there are no. But I think with the finished dress, they would have been cute, but oh well. This is the dress again, with the waist brought in more, and my jumper on underneath obviously, so it's a little bit like pulled back and whatever. But I'm just gonna put the sleeves back on now, and I've got a headache, so I think I'm just gonna do that and go to bed. And I'll see how it looks with fresh eyes tomorrow. So I added the little pleat at the back and then I brought the bottom in a little bit, and now I've cuffed the sleeves, and I think it's pretty cute. So yeah, it took a lot longer than I was expecting and hoping, but I think it's a cute dress. I think it's pretty versatile in terms of like, I could wear this to a party, but I could also wear it to a more corporate event if I had a blazer over the top, or I could put a vest over it and it would be very casual with some sneakers, or anyway, I can keep going on, but this is a cute dress, I think, and I think it's a good length. So I'm glad I didn't bring it up at the front anymore, because that would have been a little bit too short. I do think that because like the button right here is like kind of a little bit higher than the bottom of the shirt, I think I'll add another button down there just to be safe. But other than that, very comfortable, very stylish, I think. Yeah, I like it, and I'm glad I did it because it was like a $6 dress for me. I think that's all I have to say about it. But so yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.